YouTube channel. And right now I'm going to direct this to you guys that you have been following me in my YouTube videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, and thank you for the request that you made. That's why I'm making this video right now. And this video is all about how you can actually sign up for a Payoneer account in Nigeria. So if you are new to this channel, my name is Joe Pillar, and the name of this channel is Online Hustle Mystery, where I will be revealing to you how you can actually make money online wherever you are in the country. So please just click on this subscribe button here and click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop another video, you'll be the first to get notified. So guys, let's get right into the video and see what I got for you today. Welcome back, guys. Right now we are going to be signing up for a Payoneer account. So come right here, and what you are going to be needing is just your national ID card. But don't worry, if you don't have, you can use your mom's ID card or your dad's ID card, or anyone that you trust. You can actually use their own ID card. So here we click on the register and it brings us here. So let's just wait for this to load. Yep, like this. It says let's find the right account for you, for your needs. So I am dash click on this so that it will drop down and you see what is there. Click on individual. I'm looking to click on here also, get paid international client or marketplace. Yes, click on this one. Then this is the page that it will take you to. Click on this register here. And guys, don't skip this video, just watch to the end so that you know how you can actually do this step by step without jumping any step. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, guys. Here you are required to fill all this form. Your first name, let me say Shual, last name Pillar, my Gmail account, Online Hustle Mystery at gmail.com. So just enter your mail account here, and it says you should re-enter your mail. Then just copy that and paste it here. Enter your date of birth here. Choose on the year. I'm actually 20. Click on this and click on the day, April. Then pick the date. Here we go. Next. So it will take you to the next page, and you fill out all these forms, all this blank space, fill it out. I'm just going to click this one because I have a ClickBank a Payoneer account already. So I'm just going to enter my number here, 09604. So just pick this number randomly. Enter your country here, your first address line here. This one is optional, you can leave this blank. Choose your city. I'm in Canada right now. Choose your zip code, and this is the zip code I'm using now. Click send code and enter verification code, and you will receive the code on your phone number. Then click on this first. A verification code will be sent to you. Yes, it has been sent to me already. Let me just enter the code here, 004506. Then you click on enter. Yes, this is the next page. You enter a password that contains Roman, a password that contains Latin alphabet, numbers and characters. So that's that. And enter the password again. I will type the password again. These are security questions. Just pick the one that you will be able to remember, so that your account will not get lost. What time was your mother born in? And click on this and answer the question. Put it there. Yes. And I'm going to, and the issuing country is Nigeria, and I'm going to put national ID card. I want to use national ID card. Actually, you can use some other things like driving license, passport. For me, I'm using national ID card, although I don't have national ID card, but I'm using my mom's own. So I'm just going to type the ID number. This ID number, you will see it at the back of your ID card. You see ID form number there. So just input it here. I'm just gonna input it here. Just gonna input it here. So that's it. Just enter the code below there here. D96HE. Right? Just enter here. You're almost done. This is the last step, and once you verify here, your account will be ready. Now here, pay a very close attention. Here is where the bank details that you are going to be withdrawing your money into. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to choose my currency, which is Naira. Here, this is where I'm going to be receiving the funds into. But if you are in USA, just choose US. If you are in UK, just choose Europe. So here, the bank name, I'm going to enter the bank name. Mine is GTB, GT Bank, Guaranteed Trust Bank. Click on here. The name of the order, my name is Joe. This is the name and the account number. So I'm going to enter the account number there. I'm going to enter the account number here. The name, the account number. I'm going to agree to all these terms, condition, and send. Okay, now your Payoneer account has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. So after this reviewing, your account will actually be approved, and they will send a message to you that your account has been approved. Are you getting me, guys? So when they send a message to you, they will ask you to confirm or sign in. Then you pick on one. So once your account has been approved successfully, this is what it will look like. This is what your page will look like. This is what it will look like. Let's wait for this to load up. Yes, this is actually what your page, from the home page, will look like. This is it here. Load up. Guys, I'm sorry for my network. I'm very sorry, just bear with me. Now here it's loaded up already. This is what your page will look like, your home page will look like. This is it. So if you want to check how to withdraw money, the codes that you are going to use to get paid in dollars, in euros, or in pounds here, just come here to global payment services. and boom, here it is. And guys, in the next video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually withdraw, how can you link your Payoneer account to your PayPal so that you can withdraw very easy, very easily. You can withdraw your money wherever you are in the country. So in the next video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually withdraw your money from Payoneer from ClickBank account to your Payoneer account. Now this is all your details here. This is your bank name, your short code, your account number, your beneficiary name, and everything. This is all what you are going to be needed to withdraw your money from anywhere you want to get money, get paid from. So guys, this is how you can actually sign up for a Payoneer account in Nigeria, even worldwide. This is how you can sign up for Payoneer account. Guys, if I really give you value and you know this video really helps you, please give me thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click the notification bell. What the notification bell does is that whenever I drop another video, you will get notified. And guys, go down into the section, comment section below, and comment, let's get this money, and comment Payoneer, #Payoneer, #sign up for Payoneer. So guys, that's all what I want from you. I want you to support me on this channel, and if you have anything you want me to do a video about, I am always here for you. You requested for this, that's why I make this kind of video, telling me you need something, as in telling me you want this kind of video will really help me know what you are looking up to and what you want to gain from my channel. Please guys, go down there to this comment section and comment anything you want me to make a video about. So guys, this is all I got for you today, so take care.